Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to discuss how to design a customer and supplier table for the question mentioned below using the EER diagram in our MySQL Workbench software. So this is our question here, set number 12. Create a customer table to register customers for this software. Follow the instructions below to create this table. So the table name is customer ID is integer, then the first name varchar 45, last name varchar 45, gender varchar 10, number varchar 45, street varchar 45, street 2 varchar 45, city varchar 45, contact number varchar 10, status varchar 1. So then we have a supplier also. So the supplier will also be having the same columns. Yes, but they'll be having their email additionally. So this is what we had to create in our MySQL Workbench software. So let's head on to our MySQL Workbench. So here we are in our next mobile DB table. So we are following the same series of questions under the same database name. So our first table will be a customer table which we have to create, and in that customer table we will be having our customer ID, which is of the type integer. It will be a primary key and it will be not null. I believe the customer ID should have an underscore, so okay. Then we have our customer's first name, and then the last name, and then the gender. So the gender will be of the data type varchar 10. Then we have to collect the number, so I'm going to save that as info, that it will be varchar 45. Then the street underscore 1, that's also varchar 45. Street underscore 2, then the city, so then our city has been added. The after this our contact number, and that will be of varchar type varchar 10. And finally the status. So here I will be saving this as status. So basically this is our customer table here which we have right here. So what I'm going to do now is to copy this customer table and paste it. So then I'm just going to replace this with the name supplier, and then change the ID name of this to supplier ID, and since we have our email right after our status, I'm going to make an email here, so that is going to be varchar 45. And now we have created our email column, and what I'm going to do is keep it according to our question. Our email column is above the status, so I'm going to keep it here. So basically that is it on what we have to create. I think I will need to make this table look a bit bigger. So okay, now we can see all our data values. So basically we have to make sure this is supplier underscore ID. Yes, now we have changed it, and basically this is it on what we had to create. What I did was just copy this table and paste it here I think there's one column which we can remove, which we don't need. We can remove the gender column because it's not there in our question. So what I did was basically to copy the customer table and take out the common elements in it and just replace what we needed to, just to save time. So now I'm going to our database. So I'm not going to forward engineer it this time. I'm just going to synchronize the model and click on next. Click on next again. Then click on our password and click on next. And now our tables have been added to our program. So now I'm going to go here and just refresh this. So you can see our new tables have been created, our supplier and customer tables. So basically this is it for this video on how to create a customer and a supplier table relevant to this question using ER diagrams on our MySQL Workbench software. Thank you for watching.